biggest mistake I see when people use calorie calculators is they input their activity levels wrong. Now this used to work many years ago when general activity throughout the day was much higher, and this is activity outside of going to the gym, but that's not the case nowadays. So I'm going to tell you how to work out your activity levels so you can input it correctly. But first you need to understand this. The calories we burn throughout the day are broken up into 4 parts. Now we're just going to focus on 2 of them. If you want to know what all 4 are, I do talk about this in 4 emails that I send if you use my calorie calculator. Just comment the word calc below and I'll send it to you. But you need to watch this first so you put the information in correct. So our exercise activity thermogenesis, which is our activity where we go purposeful exercise. So when we go to the gym, do exercise classes, those sort of things. That equates to around 5 to 10% of our overall calories burnt on average per day. Remember the key word here is on average. So we're taking the week's average. So I'm sure I'm gonna get somebody in the comments go, well, I did a really long bike ride and I burnt over 1,000 calories. That's more than 5% on average for most people. And for most people, it's probably between 3 and 5%. Then we have our NEAT, which is non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which is fidgeting, picking up the children's dirty washing, walking to work, all the stuff that's just general movement. And that's up to 30% of our overall calories burnt. So this is what we should be using when we use a calorie calculator, because you could be going to the gym 3 or 4 times per week and you're putting yourself in as very active, but you just sat on your bum the rest of the time. So when using a calorie calculator, use your total steps as a way to calculate how active you are throughout the week. Use this method here, and I'll put it in the caption below. Comment the word calc, and you can use mine, and I'll send you 4 emails that will help you with understanding a calorie calculator once and for all. Bonus points if you can tell me what phone this is.